Hello, my name is Suganti. I have joined in GST in 20 days back. This is my first training program in Hanureddy. How I feel about the training program? Yeah, it's a real platform to learn everything in real estate. Here, our seniors, expertise in different areas, they gave so much of their experience as a training session, which was mind blowing. And also the external trainees like Mr. Vasantan and the architect Mr. Shriram Ganpati and Ajit Kumar Chodia. All these three people were they were excelling in their field, and the knowledge they poured in just 1 hour or whatever they took is mind blowing. And I am speechless to say that what I got in this training program I cannot get anywhere, even if I pay 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, whatever, personality development. Apart from that, I want to especially talk about Suresh Reddy sir. The way he conducts himself, the way he treats the realtors as family, I don't know, maybe beyond family also. The way he talks about health and their personal life, and it's not like he is always into business and he is motivated only about the business. The personal touch about Shiva, Mr. Suresh Reddy is amazing, and I am really moved by the way he conducts himself with the realtors. And Shiva Reddy, I don't know how this family has grown this next generation so perfect. I'm really amazed about all the people from Hanureddy. I missed hearing Hanureddy's talk. I am waiting to meet him. That's it. Thank you.
My name is Inderjeet Singh and I am from Hyderabad branch, and I have joined Hanureddy Realty 3 months back. This is the first training I am attending from my office side, and I really have no words to praise the training programs, the schedule and the entire infrastructure which we face here. The kind of sessions we have in our training programs are extremely helpful, and I am very confident that I am going to become a successful realtor in my life. And I am especially thankful to Mallikarjun sir, Maruti Ram sir and our Vice President, Director sir, Suresh sir, for providing us a platform where we can become a successful man in our life, not only in terms of money but in terms of everything. This is really going to change a person's life, the way we take our life. It's really incredible in our ways. Thank you to Hanureddy Realty.
I am Shinot Raghavan, a senior realtor, West Chennai. I want to tell you this training program, this 21st training program. I am enhanced my knowledge on real estate and more particularly on technology, and have network with other people's other branches and mingle with one and all. And it's very useful for me and upgrade my knowledge and skills in future too. And thanks my management for this given the wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I am Madan Mohan from Adayar Velachery branch. I joined in this organization January 12th, and this is my first training, and absolutely the training was good. Starting this is the last day and we are in 22nd session of this training, and the training took us, it's excellent one, and we learned more. Initially I thought of what is real estate training needed for us. So it's between buyer and seller, and we are a mediator, so we do not require more knowledge. Just we are going to complete getting a check from buyer and seller. This is not a big one, I thought, but it's totally different. The training changed us a lot, and we learned more. Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Gautam. I'm from West Chennai branch. It's been my 21st training program. I make a point, I never miss any training programs. Every time I attend a training program, some new thing I'm learning. It's not that they are talking the old stuff. Okay? Every time I learn a new thing. Moreover, learning, you get to meet all the other branches. We can interact with other branches, other states. So when you get any properties in outstation, we can pass on to them. So like that, it's very useful. I made a point, I attend all the training program. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sudhanshu Reddy B, Realtor, Hyderabad. Joined on the 25th December of 2015. I feel this organization a wonderful place to be. Coming to the training part, we had given complete details in regard to how to get a leads, how to manage my deals, how to be completely ready for everything and anything at any time. I think this will change everything of my life. More than anything, it will make me learn how to be more disciplined, how to manage my body, my inputs, my outlook and my future. I think this will give some more control about my future, my life and myself. Thanks to Hanu Reddy and its team. Thank you very much.
I am Chandrasekharan Satish from Team GST Crowbet. Been into attending this training program from the day one, been part of various training programs. Really happy to be present, especially in this venue. In terms of venue, in terms of hospitality, nothing to match. Where we have been trained, one of the hotspots of Chennai. In terms of training, a lot of inputs, though I have completed 7+ years with HRR. A lot of inputs this time. Really, we are into different level in terms of training, able to grasp as much as possible. Best wishes for all the people who are here, who have attended this, especially this 21st training sessions. Thank you.
Hi, I am Srinivasan. Just about a month back I've joined. That's on March 11, 2016. And I'm in Mylapore branch, first floor. The training is all about real estate, and to graduate for a newcomer like me. And it's very, very interesting, and I think I'll be able to do some wonders with this training program. They're excellent, and we also would request, I would also request the management to give a lot of refresher courses, so that everything would be fresh in our mind. Then especially I would like to thank the management, given us an opportunity to prove ourselves here, and definitely we will take it up and prove it to the management.
Good afternoon. I am Gopi Shankar from Coimbatore branch. I recently joined about 3 months back, and this is the first training I am undergoing on real estate. In fact, I am unable to express as how I felt. I enjoyed the entire program, and it has been an eye-opener for me, with so many seniors sharing all their views very openly and clarifying queries. I feel I am on the top of the world, and I would like to thank the management for having recruited me and given this training. And I will be the first participant, even any more training program conducted. I will be very happy to join and contribute. Thank you.